Hey, welcome to Bowscore, how to create an archery tournament. So we're right here on my archery club page. If you do not have that, the first thing you have to do is create your archery account and then create your archery club if you're a tournament director or tournament club administrator. Once those are done, you can come to this tournaments page, and the first thing we're going to do to get started is click Add Tournament. So this is a 7-step process to create your tournament, and it won't take us long. We're going to choose our sport first, and just for this demo, we're going to choose Scholastic 3D Archery. In Scholastic 3D, you're going to choose targets. We're going to say we're shooting indoor this time, and the target choices are a 5-spot or a single spot. And then you choose target style. So this is set up so you can shoot outdoor 3D or indoor bales. We're going to be shooting indoor bales. Click your next button. We'll have to name the tournament. And choose the maximum number of competitors. You can let it scroll, or we can just pick a number with the keypad of 100. We're going to allow 4 competitors per bale. You'll put a little description about your tournament. Now, a couple things down here that you can choose. You can hide the tournament so it cannot be seen by everybody on Bowscore if they're searching for a tournament. You might do that if it's a special event. You might do that if you don't want anybody to see it before registration starts. Although you're going to see in a minute how registration works. The accept button, when you're entering scores, if you want them to validate the scores, each individual archer's score, there will be a green accept button that will pop up if you have the accept button turned on. Allow club devices is any devices your club owns that are pre-registered can be used to score. Automatic assignment is if you would like the auto baler system, which you will see and learn about, to work all the time. We're going to turn that off. Self-assignment allows the competitors to change their bale assignments around if you want that to happen. Down here you can upload an image if you want an image of your event or tournament. So those are the things on this page. You'll click next. This is where you're going to create the tournament time settings, the start time of the tournament, the end time of the tournament, when you want registration to open. We're going to have this tournament happen in June 13th. Starts at 11 a.m. It's going to end June 13th. And just to make it easy, 11 p.m. Registration's going to open, well, we're doing this on February 20th. We're going to let it open on Saturday the 22nd, and we'll allow it to close June 1st. Gives us a little bit of time to make sure that we have everything we need. You can also create the line times here. June 13th, the first line time here is 11 a.m. The second line time will change to 3 p.m. Oops. So there's our 2 line times for that event. The time zone is Denver time zone for now. You can adjust that. Now the address that's going to show up here is the address you have listed for your range in your club information. So that will be adjusted. You can also change that. If you're shooting at multiple locations, you can have 2 fields. We're shooting on 1 field, so field 1. And we have 50 bales available, let's say. And we move on to the next setup page, which is the number of rounds. If you're doing a multi-day tournament where everybody shoots multi-days, you'll use multiple rounds. We're not. We're using 1 day. It's going to be 10 ends of 3 arrows. Now you can list the default target. If you're pretty sure most everybody's shooting a 5 spot or a single spot, you can choose that, or you can choose none. That means every archer's going to be choosing their target. We suggest that you let the archers know that you like their target choice made, and hopefully they won't change it at the last minute. Again, your line times are listed here with your field. All registrations will be automatically approved right here on the open button, and then scoring and bail assignments will be available for competitors. So if you do that, they can come in and do everything, but you as the tournament director can adjust the bailing as you see fit. This is your registration page. This is where you can ask for certain things. The standard things are popping up here: competitor name, their email, what class they're in, what division they're in, their gender. And here at S3D, a membership number is required, so they would type that in. If they're on a team or club, they choose that, and then they would enter the team or club name. If you would like to sell t-shirts or anything else, you need any other info, you want a phone number, a parent's phone number, you can add a field and add those things. We're going to leave it as is. And then this is where you enter your price. If your match fee is $20, the Bowscore fee is normally $2 a month. Right now, as a new club, you get a 2-month free trial. After 2 months, the fee to the competitors is $2 per competitor for the Bowscore fee. After all this is done, you create your tournament. Now, that is it. That's how long it takes to create the tournament. It's very simple, and you can go back before it's live and adjust it. If you look over here on the left hand side, here's the tournament. These are your assignments, how you score, results, progress. This is a neat progress thing. If you're a tournament director, when you click on it, it will show you every bail and every end and whether the tablet has its full scoring done or not. If you need to manage, if you want to go back to what we just made, this is where you edit it, and you'll notice it shows the same 7 items that we did when we created the tournament. So you can easily go back there and manage it. When you import your competitors or your competitors register on Bowscore, we don't have any right now, they would all show up here. And as you notice, all the information that's been requested of them will show up there. So you can see it and overview it. And if you have multiple rounds, you'll be able to look at things round by round. So that's the simple start of a tournament. Create one, play with it a little bit, take a look at all the different options, and we'll be here to answer any questions you might have. Thanks a lot. We'll see you on the range.